So we'll understand bottom gate. It is also called horizontal gate. And here our interest is to find out filling time. How much time is required to fill a mold of volume B or casting volume B by this gate. This gate takes more times as compared to top gate. But advantage is laminar flow, no erosion of the sand from the mold. So we'll understand it. Okay, so this is the one sketch where molten metal is filled from bottom. This is your but this is molten metal is filled from bottom. H2 is a pouring basin height, sorry, sprue height. H1 is total height. H1 is pouring basin height. Some nomenclature is given. This is your gate. This is the velocity of the gate. This is the area of the gate. T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 means just started. Means nothing will be there here. No molten metal. That time velocity will be something. That will be equal to Vg. Will be equal to 2gh1. Because this height above the here velocity will be equal to this, right? This height h1 total height. This is having no meaning. This is having no meaning. That h1 is equal to h1 dash plus h2. So we will not use this h1. So Vg is equal to now when time passes, when time is equal to t, some amount has been filled. Suppose h is the height of the molten metal. Hm is the mold height, this total height, where volume of the mold is Am into Hm, Am into Hm. Now what happens? You have like this. You have like this. You have molten metal up to filled here, and you have molten metal here, and you are filling from here. What happens? This will put pressure here, and this will put pressure here. So this will be higher pressure. One thing is if I tell you if Hm is greater than H1, mold will never be filled. So H1 must be greater than or equal to Hm, then only completely mold will be filled. It is very clear, because otherwise it will be like this, right? No, it here it will be like this. Sorry, like this. It will like this. So how much it will like? But if it is higher, how molten metal will fill? It will not will be filled. So I'm drawing once again. This is so up to height h is filled. Up to height h. If I ask you what is the velocity, and here this is h1. This is your h1. This is the total head above the gate. This is your AG. This is your VG. If I so at time is equal to 0, Vg is equal to root under 2gh1. But at t is equal to t, Vg will not be equal to root 2gh1. It will be equal to Vg will be equal to root under 2gh1 minus h. This is again from the Bernoulli equation, h1 minus h. If h is equal to 0 means t is equal to 0, it will come like this. So when h increases, this velocity decreases. When h1 is equal to hm, so it will be completely, all will be in same line, right? All will be in same line, and it will be completely modal. Modal. When h is equal to hm, mold will be filled. So we'll solve a problem. So Vg will be represented 2g h1 minus h at time t. If I ask you what is the discharge q at t, that will be equal to ag into 2g h1 minus h, right? This will be your discharge. Now this is the discharge at time t, already filled this much. Now we want to fill this much volume. This is your dh height. So if you want to fill a small volume, dh into am, that time velocity qg into dt is the time required. So dt will be equal to dh into am divided by qg. Once again, understand it. So this is small volume. This small volume we have to fill. At that time, velocity Vg will be equal to this, because already this much height have been already filled. So now dt will be equal to dh into am divided by q. Q is equal to ag root under 2g h1 minus h. So when you integrate it, 0 time 0, h is equal to 0. When time is equal to t filling, h will be equal to hm. When you integrate it, you will get the, and put the limit. This I have already written. You will get this relation. You will get this relation. This relation you will get. So you need area of cross section of the mold. H1 is the total height above the gate. Hm mold height, and H. You will calculate filling time. Is it okay to all? Yes, I record. Yes, I record. Yes, it is recording is there. So now we have only 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, one problem will solve, and then we'll close the session. Yeah. What is the problem? A casting of size this means volume of the casting is to be filled by top and bottom gate with height basin 25 centimeters. This is your pouring basin height. This is not total head. Compare the time to fill the casting with different gates, area of gates. So they have given this much height only, right now. They have not talked about screw. They have not talked about anything else. Total height is you are given. Don't confuse. Don't search. Total height is 25 centimeters. Because nothing is mentioned here that is screw height separately. They have already given you the pouring basin height. Compare the time to fill the casting with different gate, means top gate and bottom gate. So AM is this much, HM is H1, because this pouring height is. So we'll apply this formula first. Volume of casting area to the H. So if you put all this, you will get this value. You know volume, you know area of the gate, H is your 25 centimeter. That is H1. Then this formula will apply. Area of mold, H1 total HM. This here H1 is equal to HM, because this is also 25 centimeter. Means you have a like this. This is 25 and this is also 25. This is also 25. So this H1 is contained. This problem is clear to all? Whether this problem is clear to all? Okay, so we'll close the session now. It is now almost 2.5 hours. So we'll close the session and next class will be tomorrow, again 10 o'clock. If you have any question, any doubt, you please ask. Tomorrow timing 10 o'clock and link will be shared in the group. Already link is there in a group.